is going on here, man? What the hell? Oh. Bad behaviors. So Matata is just parked in the middle of the road and they don't care. Look at another one. Look at another one. Right. This is the VOGE 300DS. This is the motorcycle I'm riding currently from Nairobi Power Bikes. This bike is still new. I have only done 1,000 kilometers on it so far. And in this video, I want us to see how good this motorcycle is as a 300cc in acceleration. It is not a top speed test. It is not a speed speed test. I'm only testing the acceleration, how the bike accelerates, because that is what determines your safety as a biker. How good a motorcycle can accelerate. If you realize someone is coming so close to you on the highway, they are starting to tailgate you. There is a driver with some behavior of getting so close to you. How easy can you accelerate to run away from them? How easy can you accelerate to run away from them? Okay, that is what I want to test. From here, this is Junja with Taithia. I want to head back to Thika Road. It's just a few kilometers on this direction. And then we are going to talk about this on Thika Road. I want you to see how good this bike can be in terms of acceleration. Let's do this, boy. The exhaust sound, perfect. Very nice, very nice. believe you have seen what has happened. This bike is accelerating like a big bike. Accelerating like a big bike. You can do 120 around 7,000 RPM comfortably without pushing the bike. Around 7,000 RPM. The bike is running ahead of everybody. You see a lot of good stuff. So for the people who have been asking me how fast you can learn on the highways with this bike, I believe I have answered your question. I do believe I have answered your question. This bike is very comfortable and also very safe on the highway. You can do some good speed on the highway. You can keep up with everybody else. You can overtake everybody if you want without even torturing the bike. So this one is a thumbs up. Whatever you do with this information, now that is upon you. But what I have done is what was requested. Some people have been asking me, how safe is this bike on the highway? Considering that we have vehicles that are so fast these days, vehicles that are running so fast, this bike is as safe as you ride it, because you can achieve 100, 115, 120 kilometers very easily without pushing the bike. So if that is the case, then if we decide to test the top speed, maybe we can get 140 or something. I'm not even willing to go there. I'm not even willing to go there because I don't even find it necessary for you to do 140. I don't even find it necessary. There's a 300cc bike. Even if it can achieve 140, you don't need to do there. It is not that because it can do it, then you have to do it. No, it's not the case. So this bike is good. Let's keep doing so. Meshach is my name, Two Wheels Paradise. If you have not subscribed, these are the stuff we do here. These are the stuff we do here. Introducing beautiful motorcycles and beautiful deals in motorcycle stuff. So keep locked. Two Wheels Paradise. This is your home.